Hello, hello there! In this video we are going to practice hearing musical intervals, and today we will focus only on the minor and major third. I totally understand that training all of the intervals at once can feel a bit overwhelming, so let's just focus on these two first. That way your ears and mind can really get used to the difference between them. Training your musical ear is really important. It helps you sing in tune, recognize melodies more easily, and become a more confident musician overall. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Okay, let's get started. At first, I will let you hear the difference between the minor and the major third. So, we will start with the minor third. And this one sounds sad. Okay, listen to this. That is the minor third. Now, the major third sounds happy. And the interesting thing is that the third tone from the scale, so this one, that is the one who decides in a chord if it is major or minor. For instance, I'm playing A, C sharp, E, which is
an A major.
But if I play the C sharp half a tone lower, it becomes a C. And then it sounds like this. So, sad, happy. Okay, and I have one more example. The beginning tune of Game of Thrones uses a minor and a major chord in the beginning. So you have that na 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 na, minor minor, major major, major major, minor minor, minor minor, major major, la 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 la. So beautiful. Anyway, let's get started with hearing those differences between a minor and a major third. So, let's go. Here we go. This is a major third. This was also a major third. This is a minor third. This is also a minor third. And to give you a tip, don't get confused by that it sounds high. If it's high, it doesn't necessarily mean it's happy. So you gotta be sure. That's a minor third and not a major. A major third would sound like this. All right, let's continue. This was a minor third. This was a major third. And there goes the same tip. If it's low, it doesn't always mean sad. Ah. This was a major third. A minor third. A major third. A major third. And the last one. That was a minor third. All right. Thank you for training those ears. Your brain is thankful. Your mind is thankful because training your ears is really important. It's nice to know in your mind that you already know where the melody has to go. So even before you produce a sound, you already know in your mind what you have to sing. And that will make you confident in what you are singing. So I just hope that you had a good time. I hope that you had everything right, of course. But if you make mistakes, that's also fine because making mistakes means learning. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's everything I got to say. So thank you for still listening to my brabble. And I will see you on another video. Ha 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 ha. Bye 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 bye. Oh, all right, I messed it up. Bye.